Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you how to clean a child car seat easily. This will be a full tutorial, so let's get right into the video. For this method, we're not going to be removing the car seat or anything like that because I had both of these professionally installed. I don't want to mess with the installation. So it's just a simple cleaning process that I use about once every week or two to keep these car seats clean. It's a simple three-step process. Let's get right into it. The first step is going with your hand and just sort of trying to pick out any things that are sort of tucked away. As you can see right here, I don't even know what this is. It's just some crumbs of some sort, whatever my son was eating in the back seat over here, some of his snacks that he was eating. There's some crumbs down here, so you want to just, if there's anything on the surface or anything easily accessible, you want to just pick it out. And I'm not removing the cushions, I'm just pulling the cushions to the side, reaching in there, just trying to feel for anything. Like I said, because I had these car seats professionally installed, I'm not gonna be removing them or anything like that. So that's the first step. Use your hand, just pick out anything that you can see right there. The second step is to use just a small vacuum like this one I have right here, or a big vacuum. It doesn't really matter, but this is a portable one. You can even use a portable car vacuum to just vacuum the car seat. And they do get kind of dusty, so even if you don't see anything, it's a good idea just to vacuum, especially the lower half here. Because they're in the car, they do get kind of dusty, so it's a good idea just to vacuum it anyways. So just give it a quick vacuum like this. Especially in those cracks and crevices right there. Like you can see right there, there's gonna be lots of crumbs in there. Just a quick vacuum. Just like that. In all of the cracks and crevices right there. Just like that. Then I like to go down the sides as well. And then the back. Okay, now we're gonna turn that off. Next up, you want to take a damp cloth just like this. This actually has just water on it. You can put maybe just a drop of dish soap if you want to give it a little bit of cleaning power, but really the purpose of this is just to remove any surface dust that is also on there. So I just like to take the cloth and I literally just wipe the entire car seat, just like the entire thing, the surface of it like this. If you see a stain, obviously you can scrub it off, but there's no stains on this. I just like to wipe it like this. It allows me to get rid of any surface dust and surface crumbs that are on the car seat, and it literally just adds on like just a quick minute to the process, just like that. Okay, do the sides over here because this is where the head would be, the sides of the head, just like that, and just like that. Very simple and straightforward. And then I also like to wipe down sort of the plastic or the metal, I should say, whatever material this is. And then the belts, just because the belts do get touched a lot, they tend to get quite oily. Just a very simple, quick wipe. And that's basically it. That's the process that I use to clean my car seats in my car easily. And like I said, it's not anything that is super in-depth. We're not removing the car seat or anything like that. We're just cleaning them on the surface, and it's fast enough. Like it's literally, it takes me like 2.5 to 3 minutes per car seat. And you could do this every week, every 2 weeks. I mean, even once a month will keep everything nice and clean. And that's basically it. Just kind of incorporate it into your car cleaning routine. Whenever you clean your car, just do that as well. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment, and of course be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.